So today we're taking a look at the reliability ratings on every 2026 GMC or Chevrolet pickup truck that they make. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what problems are in these new vehicles to help influence your buying decision to see if this truck is a good fit for you. So right now I have the Consumer Reports ratings pulled up for the 2026 1500, 3500, and 2500 GMC and Chevrolet pickup trucks, and you can see the predicted reliability ratings is about an average of 40 out of 100. So why is that? Well, let's get started with their most popular one, the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. You can see Consumer Reports has given this vehicle a 59 out of 100 rating for its overall score. And one of the biggest hits to that rating is going to be reliability. So you can see the way that they score their vehicles. You have a road test, reliability, and predicted owner satisfaction. So what this data is telling me is that it drives great. Owners are happy with their Chevrolet Silverado pickup trucks, but there is some predicted reliability problems. So why is that? So you can see we expect the 2026 Silverado 1500 will be less reliable than the average new car. And this prediction is based on data from the 2023, 2024, and 2025 models. But for 2026, they have made major improvements to everything. So you can see in 2025, the predicted reliability of the powertrain went up a lot. They were doing a lot of different engine testing with the 2.7 liter Turbo Max, the 3 liter Duramax, and they were having problems with the 6.2 liter with those lifters. Everybody knows about that. But for 2025 and 2026, those problems are pretty much non-existent. But one of the biggest hits to the Chevrolet Silverado is going to be the electronics. So stuff like the big screen in the middle, the infotainment right in front of the steering wheel is completely electronic. There's a lot of electronics in these new cars, and they are actually not made by GM. They're made by third parties like Sony, stuff like that. So it's kind of hard to warranty those kind of items when they're not made by the manufacturers themselves. So that's why Chevrolet offers a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. But they have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Now, on the 2.7 liter Turbo Max, they actually have a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty. And believe it or not, the most reliable motor choice for the Chevrolet Silverado is the 2.7 liter Turbo Max motor, which is really surprising. This is a very stout motor that has had a ton of testing before it was put into production. It has 310 horsepower and 430 foot-pounds of torque, and it is an absolute tank. There is problems with the 5.3 with the active fuel management, dynamic fuel management, and the 6.2 liter still has some problems just because it has such a high power output. But if we take a look at the Sierra 1500 equivalent, this actually has a higher rating, and that's due to the fact that it has a very similar road test, it has more predicted owner satisfaction, but it has the same reliability issues because these trucks are pretty much identical. If we take a look at this graph right here, you can see the powertrain, suspension, brakes, everything is rated the same, but for 2026, these are solid trucks to pick up. If you're buying them used, I would stay away from the 2023, 2022, and before models because those have a lot of issues. But you should feel confident buying a GMC 1500 or Chevy 1500 if it's a 2025 or 2026. Now, let's move on to the 2500 HD. This doesn't have a reliability rating yet, but you can tell it has a 40 out of 100 just due to the predictions on the previous model years. So this motor, there's actually a couple different motors you can get for the 2500s. You can get a 6.6 liter gas with an Allison transmission, or you can get the 6.6 liter Duramax with an Allison transmission. So those 10-speed transmissions are bulletproof, guys. That is a really, really great setup. But for the powertrain, you can see Chevrolet GMC has done a lot of work to make their vehicles more reliable. They used to be known for their vehicles lasting 250, 300,000 miles, and they are getting back on track starting in 2025. You can see nothing but green. So they've done some major improvements to all of their vehicles with the powertrain. But one of the most frustrating things you have to deal with any GM product nowadays is the electronic. So that's why I always recommend people get an extended warranty on those electronics just to avoid those issues. Now there's a lot of fancy stuff in the 2500 HD as well, especially on this trim, the Denali Ultimate. The Denali Ultimate has so much technology, literally 50% of the truck is technology. You have stuff like blind spot monitoring, you have forward collision, you have a big screen inside of it, you have heated and cooled seats, electronic controls for the AC, electronic sliding rear glass windows, and sunroof issues. So the main thing you're going to see with these trucks is a lot of electronic problems, unfortunately. Same thing with the 3500, same thing with the 2500 in the Chevy lineup as well. The 3500 is pretty much the same truck, just with dual rear wheels. You can also get a single rear wheel 3500 if you so choose. But let's talk about buying a used Chevy or a used GMC. I would absolutely not buy any GMC that was made in 2024 or below. And you can see these are real issues with real owners that we're taking a look at. We're seeing stuff like lifters in the 6.2, engine misfires on the 5.3, premature brake wear on an Elevation 5.3 liter V8. The fuel pump goes out. So let's take a look at all of the trouble spots on these used pickup trucks. The transmission is terrible. The suspension is bad. The drive system is bad. The electronics are actually pretty good for the 2021 models because they're not as advanced as the new models. Noise, everything is good, but you're going to have a lot of problems with the transmission and the fuel system as well as the brakes. It looks like a lot of these used models have premature brake wear and major engine issues, so I would stay away from those. Now let's take a look and see what people are saying about the Chevrolet Silverado. You can see a lot of people, 64% would say they would buy a Chevrolet Silverado again. But for the overview, you can see the reliability is a 30 out of 100 for a used Chevrolet Silverado. So why is that? We're going to have a lot of the same problems with all of these different motors. You can see these motors right here in 2021 were brand new and they have their issues that they've worked the kinks out. The 5.3 liter V8 has issues. Also, the 6.2 liter V8 has issues. So these are very similar issues to what we're seeing in the GMC. But they're pretty much the same truck, just on a same platform. But that's pretty much everything you need to know about buying a new or used Chevrolet or GMC full-size pickup truck here in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and subscribe down below for more car market news. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you guys think about all the improvements they've done to the new Chevys and GMCs? Hope to see you guys in the next video.